connected to the stream. So I want to see what the images look like. Ah, that looks alright actually. Okay, yeah, this looks alright. So we are actually good to go. Let me get the instructions up in a minute, and we're going to get building. I'm going to announce this now that we're up. So Twitch, it doesn't matter which way it is as long as we set it up properly. Okay, so we're fine. Gotta get the instructions up in it before we start anything. We are building it. We are actually building a crane today. I've got to keep it. If anyone wonders why the audio's a little bit quiet in here, it's because my sister's in the other room. Just against my PC. Right, instructions are there. We're going to go and tweet this out a minute that we're live. I say tweet this out, message before we're live. Right, it should come up on here now that says we're live, right? Boom. Right, where's the other one? Right, so we'll try and get someone in chat. Where's the other one? I want a message. Right, so we're good to go. Anyone here? Oh, 2 viewers. Bloody hell, we're quick. So we are starting off with that, and that. Right. For those who haven't seen the series before, I've got to go all the way up there. I've got to go all the way up here. Welcome for those that haven't seen this before. For those of you who have, I'm away from chat, so if anyone's messaging in chat, I won't see it. Trying to get this sorted out a bit so we actually can see what I'm doing. You guys are set up there. I've got bits here. Nothing in the chat stream yet. That's good to know. Okay, good to go, good to go, good to go. We are... So it's 10, 6,000, okay. And before people say it's deja vu, I know it's deja vu because I have done the series before on YouTube, but alas, that series is now ended, so it was too big for me to bring home, so you guys are seeing it done again. I gotta try and keep an eye on everything here too. They go the same way. They do go the same way. That is good. And the mic is 3, 4, 5, 9, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of them. 9 and 13. You guys can see them there. So they look like that. And we want 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 of those. One there. Here. Here. And here, so you guys can see it there. That leaves 6 of them, which go... Okay. One here, one here. It's a pain trying to get it right because of the way the camera is on Twitch. And 4 of them, so it's miss one from that one. Huh? Oh no, it's not this one. That one, my mistake. It's next to that one. Skip 1, 2.
What are you doing in my room, boy? You good?
Yeah. What are you doing?
Oh, you recording?
No. Turn her off.
What are you doing?
No, I've got a timer going, so I know how long it takes. Little shit. Brothers can be so annoying at times. Okay, where are they? They're in there. By here and by here. One viewer. Oh crap. What have I done wrong now? What are we doing now? Messengers going up. Haven't seen it. Hasn't seen it. Hasn't seen it. Oh cracky. We're doing something terribly, terribly wrong here. This is a 6 and 2 of those. Where's the Excel box? That one there. Need one of them. Where's my gearbox? Gears. That one, no. That one. Right in the back. Right way? Right way. Good. Oh, it's off camera. It's off the camera shot bit. Yeah, unfortunately the camera is a little off. Yeah, I'll move the camera a bit, guys, so you guys can get a bit of a better view, I think. Yeah, the way the camera works on it is a bit of a thing. Must have got to put that on the other one when I took this apart. The stream seems running alright at the minute. We want 4 fours from in here. 4s are... that's a 3. Four of them, that's alright. Right there, because we're going to need that a lot. There's the 4s. And what else is it? I have no idea whether this is going to be any good. We're going to put that bit here. There's no music for this evening for some unknown reason, because I can't be asked to get it to work properly. Can't be asked to run 2 things on the laptops at the minute. Just be thankful you guys are getting some videos up. Video series, whatever you guys want to call it. They go in there, that one goes in there. Yeah, we may have a slight problem here. Because this gets a whole lot bigger. Wrong laptop. I got chat on one, I've got the instructions on the other, and I've got the crane in front of me. Them. Them. It's a pain because the app I've got on here now as well, it's not syncing properly. One of these dropping by the door. So basically, which again means we need 2, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay. Just go to the left of me. It's not. Is it? Yes, it does work. Okay, it does work. I was just trying to stream it. Is the stream's off? Oh, it is that way. I think I got it the right way. So the pins are facing. There you go. Ah. Yeah. So. You killed anything in a whale? Here we go. Actually, I got them all. No, I think it on before. So I did take this. I had to take apart welding at one point. Rotate. Right in there. How do I get working on this again? Do with. Not my favourite. What I'm at now, this is not my favourite. What are those? That looks clear, I think. No. Where are my gearboxes? Four. It's not coming under here now. It's a pinned message into the phone. That's fine. So we should be able to download this, and it should just upload straight onto YouTube, hopefully. Let's refinish here. Maybe that one at the back. Yeah, one is anyway. Where the heck are my gearboxes? I need a gearbox. I lost a gearbox. Got it. No. This is school for constraint. Where is my gearbox? Right, okay. Where's my gearbox, too? Seriously, I've lost my gearbox. Where would I put my gearbox? Not in here. Not in that one. Definitely not in that one. Not in that one. Not in that one. That's got axles. That one's other bits that we're gonna need in a minute. Where's the gearbox? How do I go and lose a gearbox? Unless I've gone completely round the twist. I think I've gone around the twist. Yeah, I know I took the other one off. Ah. Found it. It got me in shot though. I'm not sure it got me in shot. Oh god. Right, it got me in the shot, that's alright though. So, making a gearbox. That one's for there. So this one facing that way. Goes in the black bit. There, with the gear going down there. That then gets something like that. What? He's being a pain in the ass again. For fuck's sake, Tom. Why is he being a dick? As you guys who know Fuji very well, you guys know he's a big bloody dick when it comes to recording. Okay, so I got the gears there. That is in, I hope. Yeah, now it is. Come on, turn it around and in there. Now I'm back that way. The torque's well off on it, but that's alright. Torque's well off, but I don't think that really matters much with it, to be honest with you. You can never get them dead straight.
See it?
No, you can see it when I built it.
You don't talk to me, you just waste more time. So you won't even have an accurate result.
Yeah. Brothers are a pain in the ass. So it's better than my sister. Where's the box I need? No, it's not that one. That one. I hope. I hope it's this one. No. Not that one. You'd think I know where I put all my bits. But no. Right, keep an eye on that bit. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Doesn't take a genius to figure out that this goes on by here. By here. Here. And here. How many of these have I got to make? Oh yeah, I started one and then never got around to finishing the rest of them off. Yeah, well, I never got around to finish the rest of them off, so how do we do this now? Is it too late to quit? Ow, that hurt. I'm getting old. Shouldn't have noticed that one, but 2, 3, 4 of them for now. And then we need 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8 of them. Okay, they go by there. That box is close at hand on it, so step 1. So we're doing it in front of the camera, not up in the air, where I'm used to. It's a pain with the way the camera's light up too. Right, I need 8 of them. Make it 12 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them protected. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them for step 3. Jay, you're not supposed to be playing this thing, mate. That one by there, that one by there. And then that one by there. Alright. Unfortunately, this is getting very repetitive. Four of them, okay. 4 of those. Where's the box with blue bits in there? It's that one. Ow. Searching over that hurt. Do you want? I'm pretty sure I did more than one of mine yesterday. Ay, ay, ay. This is why I hate my brother. One.